Hey everyone, in this episode of Travel Odysseys, we are going to have a special Travel Tidbit episode in which we explore how to obtain documentation of a canceled or delayed flight so that way you can file a travel insurance claim. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put in the hashtag Travel Odysseys. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. That would be Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Imagine this scenario. You have spent months researching and planning the perfect vacation for you and your family. But then when you arrive at the airport, you discover that the flight has been delayed or canceled. Although the airline will make alternate arrangements for you, still, you may miss multiple days of your well thought out and planned vacation. That means you will lose money on any special activities that you have booked, including a hotel reservation. When you later go ahead and try to submit a travel insurance claim to be reimbursed for those missing funds, they will require documented proof that the flight was delayed or canceled. Now, don't waste your time calling the airline's customer service agent. Instead, what you simply need to do is go to the airline's website, search for the term delay, and scroll down until you find the email address of the office that you need to contact. You will probably need to provide them with the dates you were traveling, your flight numbers, the names of the people who were on that flight, and specifically ask for them to provide you with the cause of the flight cancellation or flight delay. When I did this with United Airlines, I received a response in only 4 days. When you receive this email response, just save it as a PDF document, and then you can upload it into your travel insurance claim document. Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put in the hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.